Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check detailed information about any IP address. You can use this method for website server, suspicious connection, or general cybersecurity purpose. In this tutorial, I'll use Google IP address and examples, but you can use any IP you want. First, you need to get an IP address. To do that, we will use command prompt. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type CMD and press Enter to open. Inside CMD, type ping google.com and enter. After that, you will see the IP address inside the brackets. It usually looks something like this. Copy that IP address. We're going to check it online. Now that we have the IP address, let's analyze it using a website called AbuseIPDB.com. Open your browser, go to www.abuseipdb.com. On the homepage, you will see a search bar at the top. Paste the IP address that we copied earlier from command prompt. Press enter or click the search icon. After that, AbuseIPDB will open the page containing a full report of that IP address. Now let's break down the information shown by AbuseIPDB. This is the most important part. It's a percentage that you show how likely the IP is involved in abusive behavior. If the score is 0%, the IP is considered safe. If the score is high, like 50% to 100%, the IP might be dangerous. Since we are checking Google IP, it usually has 0% because Google servers are trusted. You will see the hosting company responsible for the IP for Google. This usually shows Google LLC. This helps identify who controls the server behind the IP. This section shows the country where the server is located. Large companies like Google have data centers all around the world, so the location may vary. This tells you what kind of machine the IP belongs to: data center, web server, router, residential connection, mobile networks. This helps in understanding how the IP is used. If the IP has been reported before, AbuseIPDB will show when it was reported, how many times, the type of abuse, the category of the incident. Since we are using Google's IP, it's usually clean, meaning the reports are only rare false positive. This method is extremely helpful if you want to investigate suspicious IP, check the strange connection showing up in your logs, analyze website servers, trace potential brute force attack, learn how basic cybersecurity tools work, and explore how IP reputation system operate. Even if you're just learning, this is an easy and practical way to understand how networks identify and block bad traffic. And that's it. You've learned how to get an IP address using command prompt, and how to analyze in detail using AbuseIPDB. You can repeat the exact same step for any IP address, whether it's a website, a server, or even a suspicious connection. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you understand IP checking and online investigation a little better.